If you have a bad driving record, you probably already know how difficult it can be to find affordable car insurance. Insurance companies may consider you a high-risk driver, which translates to much higher car insurance premiums. But don't lose hope. We know how to help you get the coverage you need without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll be sharing some of the best-kept secrets in the industry on how to get cheap car insurance with a bad driving record. From understanding the factors that affect your insurance rates to knowing how to compare insurance providers, we've got you covered. Because rates can skyrocket if you don't have a clean driving record, it's important to shop around to find the most affordable coverage. At FreeAdvice.com, you can find and compare quotes from several car insurance companies in your area to see which one offers you the best deal on the insurance you need. So fasten your seatbelt and get ready to learn how to find affordable car insurance, regardless of your driving history. Picture this. You're cruising down the road, enjoying the music on the radio, and before you can fully process what happened, you've been involved in a bad car accident. It's a nightmare that no one wants to experience, but unfortunately, it happens every day. In fact, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration reported the average to be a shocking 19,937 car accidents that happen each day in the U.S. alone. According to a AAA traffic survey, 51% of drivers reported that they have driven 15 miles per hour over the speed limit. 28% said that they had run a red light, and a staggering 23% admitted that they have driven aggressively at least once in a 30-day period. Here's the thing. Traffic laws exist for a reason, to ensure our safety and protect both drivers and pedestrians. Failing to follow the rules of the road can result in serious consequences, such as legal or financial penalties and increased car insurance premiums. The good news is that it's always possible to turn things around. By driving safely and obeying traffic laws, you can avoid accumulating points on your record and keep your car insurance costs down. If you think you might be able to get cheaper car insurance coverage if you shopped around, don't let another day pass without finding out. Use our free search tool on FreeAdvice.com to find rates from several providers near you by entering your zip code. It's really that simple. We all want affordable car insurance rates, and in turn, what we all should work hard to maintain is a clean driving record. Driving is a privilege, and with that privilege comes the responsibility to follow traffic laws and keep ourselves and those around us safe on the road. There are a number of bad driving habits that will quickly reward you with steep car insurance rates. Remember, insurers are quick to spot a risk they think they might lose money on. Before we dive into tips for improving your driving habits and in turn, lowering your insurance rates, let's take a look at some of the most common reasons people end up with a bad driving record. There are several instances that can cause someone to have a bad driving record. One of the most common reasons is having an at-fault accident as part of your driving history. At-fault accidents occur when you are considered to be responsible for causing a traffic accident, either partially or entirely. These types of accidents include rear-ending another vehicle and causing a collision while driving. The NHTSA reported over 42,795 traffic fatalities on U.S. roads in 2022 alone. The scary part? The majority of those deaths were found to be caused by driver error, which means they could have been prevented with safe driving. Aside from the life or death safety concerns and facing jail time if someone dies, at-fault accidents are known to increase car insurance premiums by an average of 42%. Curious about your driving record's impact on insurance rates? Visit FreeAdvice.com, type in your zip code, and find rates from multiple providers near you. You also might want to look into at-fault accident coverage that protects you if you ever cause a traffic accident. Receiving multiple traffic violations is another one of the factors that can contribute to a bad driving record. These citations include speeding tickets, running red lights or stop signs, and failing to yield. Did you know that in Nevada, drivers have to pay $1,000 if they get caught speeding? That's no joke. Not all states are cracking down with such high fees, but every state has higher penalties with each passing moving violation. Be warned, the fines will quickly add up. And that's not all. Accumulating too many points on your driving record can result in having your license suspended or revoked. And these aren't easy to escape. Moving violations can stay on your driving record for up to 5 years. During that time, your insurance premiums can skyrocket by 50% or more. With multiple driving violations, you are likely to be considered a high-risk driver by insurance companies. Providers will likely refuse to provide you coverage or offer you coverage at 2 to 3 times the average amount, which will quickly add up to you paying thousands more for your car insurance than a driver with a clean driving record. Always drive safely and obey traffic laws to keep your car insurance rates low and keep yourself safe. There are 2 different names for a big danger on U.S. roadways: driving under the influence and driving while intoxicated. DUIs and DWIs are serious offenses that will result in severe consequences. Not only is it illegal to drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs, but it's also incredibly dangerous. The NHTSA reports that every day about 37 people in the United States die in drunk driving car crashes, which works out to be 1 person every 39 minutes. In 2021, 13,384 people died in traffic accidents involving an alcohol-impaired driver. This was a 14% increase from 2020. What makes these deaths even more tragic is that they were 100% preventable. Getting caught driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol will result in serious consequences, including hefty fines, mandatory education classes, community service, license revocation, and even jail time. Plus, a DWI will have long-term effects on your car insurance rates. According to the Insurance Information Institute, a DUI will increase your car insurance premiums by about 74%. If you have a bad driving record, don't continue paying sky-high rates without shopping around. You could find a more forgiving, more risk-accepting provider. It doesn't hurt to at least compare quotes online. Visit FreeAdvice.com to discover if insurance companies near you are offering lower rates. If you get quoted lower monthly premiums than you're paying now, you might just save big this year by switching providers. With so many reasons an individual can end up with a poor driving record, it's crucial to understand how it will negatively affect your insurance premiums for years to come. One of the top questions we get asked is, will my insurance rates increase after 1 ticket? Insurance and points on your license can be a hard thing to understand, and part of the reason it's confusing is because it varies by provider, the type of citation, and by state. But we can tell you this for sure: a bad driving record will definitely cause your insurance rates to increase because providers will label you as a higher risk driver to insure. Insurance companies are taking on more financial risk when they insure a motorist with a bad driving record. When the probability of insurance claims is higher, the rate they charge is also higher. In fact, if you have a long list of serious offenses on your record, finding even costly insurance can be a challenge. Many insurance companies deny people coverage entirely because they don't want to take on the costly risk. Let's face it, we all make mistakes, some with higher consequences than others, but don't let your past mishaps hold you back from getting the best car insurance rates possible. You can start today to turn things around and take control of your driving record. We compiled 5 tips to help you earn a clean driving record and lower your car insurance rates. Number 1, take a defensive driving course. A driver education course will improve your driving skills and reduce your risk of accidents. Many insurance companies also offer discounts to drivers who complete a defensive driving course. Also, taking a driver education course allows you to brush up on traffic laws and regulations in your area, which will help you avoid traffic violations and tickets. Number 2, practice safe driving habits. This may seem obvious, but following traffic laws and practicing safe driving habits, such as not using your phone while driving, wearing your seatbelt, and keeping a safe distance from other vehicles, can go a long way to improving your driving record in the long run. Number 3, don't get moving violations. Traffic citations, such as speeding tickets and running red lights, usually stay on your driving record for at least 5 years and will lead to higher car insurance rates. Avoiding these violations can help keep your driving history clean. Number 4, maintain your vehicle. Keeping up with regular maintenance on your vehicle, such as oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks, ensure that your car is in good working condition and less likely to break down or cause accidents. And lastly, number 5, use technology to improve your driving. Many insurance companies now offer telematics devices or driver monitoring apps that track your driving habits and provide feedback on areas where you can improve. Top driver monitoring programs include Allstate's DriveWise, Progressive's Snapshot, and Geico's Drive Easy. Most of these programs offer a discount for signing up and then ongoing savings as a reward for safe driving. I'm sure you noticed all 5 of the tips we shared will take time, which can be tough when you need to lower your car insurance bills now. Well, I have some good news. We have findings that could mean immediate savings you can tap into as well. Our research team did some digging and found the 3 insurance companies that offer the cheapest rates for individuals with bad driving records. Geico has been named the cheapest car insurance provider for people with a bad driving record. Let's uncover why. Geico offers rates to drivers who have had an at-fault accident on their record, and you can pay a little more to add accident forgiveness to your policy, which can save you a lot of money in the long run on rate increases and good driver discounts you would have otherwise gotten. Plus, Geico rewards safe drivers with free accident forgiveness for keeping a clean record for a certain period of time. And if you have a bad driving record, don't worry, because you can still qualify for other discounts. Taking a defensive driving course, driving an electric car, and having an anti-theft or extra safety features in your vehicle are all just a few examples of how you can get discounts with Geico to help you save big on your insurance premiums. Get multiple quotes and see how Geico stacks up against the competition for the exact car insurance coverage you need. Head over to FreeAdvice.com and use our free search tool to compare insurance rates from multiple providers in your area. And Geico isn't the only provider that is good for drivers with a bad driving record. Let's talk about one of the top insurance companies for drivers with a DUI or DWI on their record, State Farm. If you have a DUI on your record, it's important to prioritize maintaining a clean record to lower your future premiums. If you purchase State Farm car insurance, you can more easily achieve a clean driving record by joining its Drive Safe and Save program. This telematics app monitors your driving and alerts you of any dangerous driving behaviors. Plus, you can shave 30% off of your premiums for driving safe, and you get a 10% discount just for signing up. State Farm's app will notify you if you are turning corners too fast or slamming on the brakes a lot. It will help you be aware of these driving habits that can quickly turn into accidents or costly, reckless driving tickets. Remember, safe driving will not only lower your insurance rates, but also keep you and those around you safe on the roads, which is even more important. And if you're looking for more ways to save, State Farm also offers discounts for things like having a safe car, taking a defensive driving course, and being a good student. In many cases, drivers get their license suspended after a DUI or DWI and are required to get an SR22 certificate of higher risk insurance. State Farm can help you through the SR22 filing process to get your license reinstated. With above average rankings and customer satisfaction across most regions, State Farm is a solid choice for people across the U.S., but also a top choice for drivers with a DUI on their record. Last but not least, we have one more car insurance company to share with you that is a top pick for drivers with a bad record. Travelers is the best option for affordable car insurance if you have any speeding tickets on your record. What else sets Travelers car insurance apart? Well, they offer a responsible driver plan that can save you some serious cash. With features like accident and minor violation forgiveness, you can still enjoy affordable premiums even with a less than stellar driving record. But that's not all. Travelers also offers a range of discounts you might qualify for, including signing up for their telematics program and teledrive, getting a quote before your current policy ends, paying your premium up front, and consistently making on-time payments. With Travelers, you can get the coverage you need and save money, even if your record isn't crystal clear. So check out Travelers and save on your car insurance. Remember, rates vary by your location and the car you drive, so use FreeAdvice.com's tool to compare rates from multiple providers. The best tip for finding affordable car insurance rates if you have a bad driving record is to shop around for car insurance coverage. Insurance companies use different formulas to calculate premiums. This means rates can vary significantly from one provider to another. Comparing rates from policies from different companies before making a decision is key to you saving money. To start your search, use the online insurance rate quote comparison tool at FreeAdvice.com. Rates vary drastically from state to state, so do your research to find the best option in your area. With the free tool on our site, you can get customized quotes for the exact coverage you need based on your zip code and the car you drive. For example, Mercury Insurance tends to offer the best car insurance rates for drivers with a DUI in California, while State Farm tends to be a better option in Texas. By taking the time to shop around and compare rates, you can find the best insurance policy to fit your needs and budget. Start your search with us at FreeAdvice.com and save yourself some time, stress, and of course, money. Most people don't realize they could easily save hundreds this year just by shopping around to find the best car insurance rates. Remember, it pays to do your research and be vigilant when it comes to finding the right insurance coverage for you. With this information, you can not only improve your driving habits, but also get cheap car insurance even with a bad driving record. Now you know that you can still get affordable coverage even with points on your license. There are still plenty of low-cost options available to you and providers that are best suited for your unique situation. And if you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us at FreeAdvice.com. We're dedicated to helping you find the best car insurance rates no matter how bad your driving record may be. And we have plenty of resources available to empower you to do just that. We are here to help you navigate the confusing world of insurance. Subscribe to our channel for money-saving insider secrets shared each week. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. See you at our next video.